Welcome to Teacher's Gradebook with Standard Analysis by Exida. Gradebook with Standards is a Google Sheets add-on that is designed to help teachers assess students' progress with very little effort. It performs multiple tasks, most of which are automated, allowing teachers to focus more on their teaching as opposed to dealing with rosters, grades, grade averages, and other tasks. It enables teachers to easily create marking periods. Computerized grading and averages regularly updated to reflect up-to-date grades. Send automatically generated progress reports to individual students or the entire class with just a click. Create automatically generated reports for a breakdown of performance as relates to the next generation of standards. Help prepare students for standardized testing by focusing on weaker areas or areas that may have not been covered. And much more. Watch our demo video or view our user guide for more detailed information about the add-on. Let's get a blank spreadsheet and name it. We're naming ours Gradebook with Standards Demo. To install the add-on, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. On the Search Apps, type Gradebook with Standards. Select the add-on and install it. Read Terms of Service and Privacy Policy and click Accept. Enter the folder name and select the first day of school. Then click Submit. Now our installation is underway. During the installation, the add-on is creating sheets for all of your active courses associated with your Google account, Google Classroom account, as well as other sheets needed to perform its tasks. You can see the information being imported. During the installation, the add-on will collect grades from tests only. Installation is complete when the Welcome window pops up. You'll see the Welcome window with links to our exida.com website. On our website, you'll find more information about this add-on as well as other add-ons we offer. Teacher's Gradebook add-on performs all the tasks of this add-on except for the performance by standard analysis. Student Work Log add-on enables teachers to keep track of students' attendance and their work patterns. This is particularly useful during the remote learning. You may also want to take a look at the user guide. Assignment averages are shown on row 7. During the installation, the Send My Progress report was posted on each class. We will talk about it later. To manually perform the Gradebook tasks, you go to Extensions, Gradebook with Standards, Teacher's Gradebook Tasks, and then select the option you wish to use. You may perform the same tasks by selecting the Show Site panel. Just hover the mouse over each button to read the instructions and the tasks being performed by that button. Next, what we'll need to do is add a marking period to course. To add a marking period to a course, you'll have to select the Course Sheet tab on the bottom, then click Add Marking Period. Enter the marking period number and the last day of that marking period. If you don't know the last day of that marking period, just pick an approximate date. You'll be able to change it later. Then enter or select the assignment categories such as exam, quiz, project, test, worksheet, etc., and their corresponding weights. Check to see if they total up to 100 and then click Submit. You can see that the marking period has been created on the course sheet. On the marking period sheet, you'll see the categories you just entered with their respective weights for that course only. To change the last date of the marking period, just double-click on the date and select the actual date. To add another marking period, you repeat those same steps on the same course sheet with new marking period number, new marking period and date, new categories or the same categories, and their respective weights. You'll have to do this for one course at a time, one marking period at a time, so that each course will get its own categories and weights. Notice that the marking period number and the last day are required. You may also change categories and their respective weights directly from the marking period sheets, as long as you have the same marking period on the course sheet. Now we have our marking periods and assignments, but no averages yet. For averages to be calculated, we need to move to the next feature. Update this course. This is done automatically on a daily basis, but you can do it manually. This feature will add, remove, and modify assignments based on what's in your Google Classroom. It will add new students to the gradebook or remove students that are no longer in the course. For the new students, the first day will be the day that the student was added to the gradebook. This way, the new student will not get zeros for the assignments with due date prior to the student's first date. It will set the marking period of each assignment based on their due dates. It will also create drop-down menus of categories for each assignment so that you can assign them categories from their respective marking period. Keep in mind that any time a new assignment is added to the gradebook, you have to select the category from the drop-down menu for the grade to be calculated into the averages. Let's take a look at the drop-down list. The list shows the categories for this marking period for this course that you set when adding the marking period. Let's set the category for each assignment of this course. As we pick the category for an assignment, the corresponding marking period average, the final grade, and the assignment weight update. Get grades. Get worksheet grades. With worksheets we mean Google Docs, slides, and or sheets. This is done automatically on a daily basis. Get test grades. This is done automatically on an hourly basis, but you may update them manually as well. As the test grades are updated, the add-on will set zeros for missing work. Set zeros for missing work. This feature will mark all past due assignments that have not been completed with a zero. Remove zeros for missing work. This feature will remove all zeros for missing work. This is a fantastic tool to show your students how much better they would be doing had they completed their assignments. Students whose first day of school is past the assignment's due date will not be marked with a zero for those assignments only. Post a new assignment to the classroom. It has come to our attention that many teachers share files such as Google Forms, Docs, Slides, or Sheets. Due to Google restrictions, the add-on was not allowed to collect any information on those files. So we added another feature that enables teachers to post their assignments directly from the Gradebook. If you assign your work using this feature, the Gradebook will collect the required data. Either from the menu or the side panel, go to Post a New Assignment. Read the instructions on the side panel or hover over the column header. You must either select an existing topic or add a new topic. If you add a new topic, the existing topic clears out. If you select an existing topic, the new topic clears out. In any case, the course is checked. Set the due date and the maximum points allowed for this assignment. Finally, click the Assign to Classroom button. Select the folder the assignment is in, or just enter the title. Click on the assignment you wish to post and wait. It may take a moment until you see that the sheet is reset. Go to Google Classroom and check for the assignment. Progress reports. From the main menu or the side panel, you'll have to click Update Progress Report Files. This is automatically done on a daily basis, but you can do it manually if you recently added a new assignment and wanted to include it in the report. You may send progress report to course so that every student will receive their own progress report. You can also choose to click the checkbox next to a student's name and click Send Progress Report to select it, to send progress report only to those students which have been selected. Let's take a look at the progress report from the student's account. Grades in the progress report are color-coded and the assignments are linked so students can click on their low performance scores to review the assignment and improve their grades. Let's update test grades manually. As you see, the recent score just got in. Bear in mind, during installation, Teacher's Gradebook has assigned Send My Progress Report to all courses on Google Classroom, so students can get their own progress report and track their performance in an instant at any time. Students may go to their Google Classroom and send their own progress report to themselves. This enables them to assess their own course performance. Creating progress reports based on standards. This feature enables teachers to track performance based on their subject standards. It is worth mentioning that this add-on currently performs data analysis on science and social studies standards only. Math and ELA are coming soon. To generate a report, you need to select all the choices in the upper section. Use this section to select course, grade level, subject standards, and send to. You must select at least one topic on the lower section. Use this section to select topics. You may select all the topics or unselect all the topics by using the buttons on the side panel. You can do the same thing by using the menu. Then you need to perform all the steps 1 through 3 in that order for any report you are generating. When Send Report to Teachers is selected, the course performance is sent to the teacher's email. When sending the report to selected students, you need to select at least one student from the course. Let's take a look at the Performance by Standards report. If there is insufficient data to assess a standard, the grade will be -1. Performance by standards is based on their exams or quizzes answers only. Zeros for missing work do not affect the report. Get courses. If a course sheet is missing, or if you recently added a course to your Google Classroom, use Get Courses to import them to your Gradebook. You can also choose to share course file. Use this feature to share a course with another teacher, co-teacher, or administrator. By clicking Create, Update a shared course file, Teacher's Gradebook will create the shared file, and you'll see it inside the Shared Courses folder. These shared files have no functionality. They only serve as data for the person you are sharing it with. Changes to the course may not be made using that file. To share the file, go to File, Share, Share with others. Enter the email of the person or persons you wish to share it with, and click Done. Save Gradebook data. This will save a copy of each course sheet along with when it was saved. This is also done automatically on a weekly basis, but you can choose to do so manually. Modifying assignments directly from the Gradebook. You may modify assignments directly from the Gradebook by just clicking on the Assignments link and the little Edit button lower right. You may change the answer key, modify questions, set a limit to responses, and so much more. Set automatic updates. If you notice that the Gradebook spreadsheet is not updating on hourly basis, or the Send My Progress report is not posted on all courses, you may need to set updates manually. By choosing Set Automatic Updates, the add-on will make sure that the Gradebook updates every hour and the Send My Progress report is posted on all courses.